I'm going to show you how you can easily make a GIF of your Discord profile picture on mobile. First, search and download any GIF you want to add from Google Images. Next, navigate to the Discord app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up your account on Discord. Here, tap on the U option provided at the bottom right corner. Then, you will see the Edit Profile option shown on the screen. Tap on Edit Profile and you'll be able to see your Discord profile info. Following that, tap on the pencil icon shown on the Discord profile photo. After that, you will get two options, either to get an animated avatar or change avatar. Next, tap on the Change Avatar option and select the Photos app here. Here, select the photo from your gallery and adjust the picture into the frame. Then, you can tap on the tick icon to save the changes into your profile photo. In the end, hit the Save option and you will easily make a GIF of your Discord profile picture on mobile.